In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the download queued issue on Steam. If your game or update is stuck in the download queue and refuses to start, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and in many cases, it can be resolved with a quick adjustment inside the Steam client. Follow along as I walk you through the process step by step so you can get your downloads moving again. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the Steam icon on your desktop or locating it through your installed applications. Once Steam launches, you'll either arrive at the login screen or be taken directly to your account if you're already signed in. If you need to log in, click the Sign In button and enter your account name and password. Before continuing, take a moment to make sure everything has been entered correctly. A small typing mistake can prevent you from accessing your account. Once you're confident your information is correct, click Sign In to reach the Steam homepage. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window and click on the Steam menu. This will open a drop-down menu containing several options for managing the Steam client. From this list, select Settings to open the configuration window. Inside the Settings menu, locate the Downloads section and click on it. This page contains a variety of options related to how Steam manages downloads, updates, and download locations. It's also where you'll find one of the most effective fixes for this particular issue. Look for the option labeled Clear Download Cache and click on it. Steam may ask you to confirm your decision before continuing. Once confirmed, the client will clear its temporary download data. This process refreshes Steam's download system and can eliminate corrupted cache files or temporary issues that may be preventing your downloads from starting correctly. After the cache has been cleared, restart the Steam client. Although this step only takes a moment, it's important because it allows Steam to reload with the refresh download settings. Once Steam is reopened, sign back into your account if necessary and check your downloads page to see whether the queued download has started normally. That's all there is to it. By opening Steam, navigating to the download settings, clearing the download cache, and restarting the client, you've completed one of the most reliable methods for fixing the download queued issue. Hopefully your downloads are now progressing normally and you're ready to get back to gaming. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!